Hi, I'm Feng. 你好吗? If you have problems with 两, 二, reading numbers, or you're not sure how to say this or this in Chinese, or you don't want to make mistakes on your exams, this video is for you. To put it simple, the digit 2 is 二. This is used generally in numbers. When counting 1, 2, 3, 28, 42. When giving out a phone number like 2288298, when saying which month or which year, 2月, 2005年, when in ordinal numbers, 第一, 第二, 第三, 第四, 第五. When in math, to indicate a fraction like this one, like 二分之一, or a decimal, 0.2, and so on. Different from 二, 两 is used to express, for example, 2 apples. That is, when we are expressing quantity of something, we use 两 plus a measure word. So we say 2 apples, 2 beautiful shakes, 2 hours, 2 minutes. And it's worth noting that sometimes there is a measure word, but we don't use 两. Instead, we use 二. For instance, numbers like 12, 22, and 42 end with 二. When they are with measure words, again, let's take apples as an example. We should say 22个苹果. Let's say 22个苹果. That's it. The general rule is 两 is used to express quantity of something. 二 is used in the rest of occasions. While noting 二 doesn't generally occur with the measure words by itself. However, there are still some rule breakers, which are pretty much naughty. The most troublesome one is 2 o'clock, because we use it very often. We in Chinese say 2点, or we can say 下午2点. We say 200 when there is no measure word. We can do both ways, either 200 or 200. But 2000 we only say 2000. We say 2000年, we also say 2000年. For some big numbers, when there is no measure words, let's say 32,260. We can say in Chinese 32,260 or 32,260. But like this number, 32,000, when it stands alone, we only say 32,000. And when it goes with a measure word, we say 32,000, for example, 个 apples, 个苹果. That's it. Don't be panicked or too worried about 两 or 二. It's good to know exceptions. Well, let's remember, as long as people understand what the heck you are talking about and you understand them, you're good. Stay tuned and see you soon.